Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool environment here, and basically what this is an AI auto framing webcam that is 4K quality. And we see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And if you guys remember in the past, I reviewed a few other ones from this brand before, which basically has a rotating option. This one does not have the rotating option, but does have the AI auto framing option that I mentioned. And obviously, since it is a webcam, it does have the built-in microphone, so that way you can do like Zoom calls or meetings, etc. But this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, there's a box inside the box. But once you guys open the box, here's the first thing that's inside. So I'm assuming inside right here is probably like the user manual. So you see, once we open up that little package, you can see that they do give you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But right underneath that, and we see we do have the actual product, and right here we do have another box. So let's take out the box to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open the small little box, there is a lot of stuff inside. Let's take it all out. So first thing inside right here, it looks like they provide guys a little webcam cover option that you can use to cover the lens and open up really easily. Next up right here, they provide you guys a USB-C adapter. Next one that we got right here, they provide guys a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you use that to connect it onto the webcam. And the next one that we got right here, they provide guys the foldable stand option. Then you use to put it onto your laptop screen or computer screen. So basically open up. Here is basically what the product looks like. And on the stand, if you guys notice, we do have like the non-slip material and non-scratch material as well. So I'm assuming when you guys do set it up, you basically want to put the webcam on top right here. And this part right here is holding against the back. But I will show you guys what it looks like in a second when we do set it up. But right here, you see we do have the webcam. And underneath it, there is another box. So take out that box first. Alright. So when you guys open up that small little box, they basically provide guys a little baggie. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the little baggie looks like. So then we put all the accessories and the webcam inside. So that way you can bring it along when you guys are traveling or something, to allow you guys to use it almost anywhere when you guys are traveling or something. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take out the webcam. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in the front part right here, we do have the lens. Right here, we do have the brand logo. So I'm assuming in the front right here, we do have the little microphone that you can use to make calls, or you can use it for recording stuff as well. Top part right here, we do have a button. If you guys turn to the back, we do have the slot which plug in the cable to recharge it. And it looks like in the back part right here, we do have like the non-slip material or something. And bottom part right here, we do have the slot where to screw it on somewhere if you guys do want to. But the way how they designed the product is supposed to be magnetic, so that way you stick it onto the actual stand. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what I mean. So basically put it on like this. If you can see how it sticks on, because of the magnetic option that's built in. But you basically have the option to use it this way, or you can turn this way. Or if you guys want to turn this way, so that when you bring it up, you guys have the option available as well, which is pretty cool. But if you guys do end up putting it this way, you do want to make sure you guys have a way for it to plug it in the back. Otherwise, there's no power generated to the webcam. So it's probably more ideal for you guys to use it this way instead. So that way you still plug in the cable in the back. And when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it's actually pretty lightweight. It's almost as heavy as a GoPro, but a little bit lighter. So that is basically what the product looks like when you guys do take it out and set it up. Before I should plug this into the computer to actually test it out, let me actually put it on the lens cover to show you guys what it looks like first. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out this part right here. And you guys want to just stick this on. So once you guys stick it on like that, now you guys have the option to open up if you guys do want to like that. And when you guys are not using it, you guys can close it back up. So that way you guys do have a lens protector option on here. But obviously you guys are not required to use that if you guys don't want to. But it is pretty nice that they do provide guys that option. So that way you guys do get a little bit of privacy when you guys are actually not using it. And supposedly for the product, it does have the AI autofocus option like I mentioned. So whether if you guys want to do autofocus or face focus, you can definitely use that on here. And like I mentioned, for the quality of the webcam, it is 4K. So you can definitely get like the highest quality when you guys are actually using it for recording stuff, whether it be a live stream, for meetings, or etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me set this up onto my screen that we have right here, and then we'll test it out to show you guys the quality that's on here. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so once you guys set up the product, here is basically what it actually looks like. So here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is basically what the product looks like from the back. So you pretty much have this part right here in the back to hold it in place. And we also have this holding in place as well. But it do have like the non-slip material on bottom, top, and also right here as well to prevent it from moving around. And currently I do have the cable plugged in the back. And we have it plugged into our laptop. So let's test it out to show you guys what the image quality looks like. So we're gonna turn on the recorder right here. And you basically want to change it from this camera to this one right here. And then once you guys do that, it will activate it. But because right now we have it sealed up, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do activate it. If you see the video quality that's on here is actually pretty high quality. If you guys notice when we're moving around, the frames per second on here is actually really fast. And like I mentioned for the product, it does have the focus option or the AI autofocus option. So if you guys go like this, it focuses on my hand, but once I let go, it focuses on my face. And also I do want to mention that when you guys look right here, there is an indicator light that pops on, and that is basically how you guys know when it's on or off. But I'm actually press the record button on here to see what it sounds like when you guys do use it. Alright, so basically what you guys are listening to right now is the audio that's coming from the camera itself. If you guys can hear what she sounds like. Now let me just listen to the audio to see what she sounds like first. Alright, so I just finished listening to the audio that's on here, and when you guys do listen to the audio, it actually sounds really good. And obviously once you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up. So that way you can get a little bit of privacy when you guys are not using it. Or if you guys want to, definitely unplug it in the back as well. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up and actually use it. You can see it definitely works pretty well. Welcome back, guys. So now let's all quick test the product and definitely see how she does work, and she works quite well. So you see when she tests out the product, it works the same way as the other one that I showed you guys in the past in this brand. Only one thing that this product does not have compared to the one that I reviewed in the past is the fact that it doesn't have a tracking option where it actually follows you in frame, because it doesn't have that rotating option. So if you guys do want something that has that option, you probably want to get the other one that I tested in the past. But if you guys don't care about the tracking option, then this one's actually pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality webcam that give you guys everything that I mentioned that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.